Let's see what we just picked up. So, these gorgeous little French looking vintage tables. There is a little detailing on the top, which, while the paint is absolutely disgusting how it's been painted, it's not been prepped properly either, so you can see this all scratching off very easily. Whoever did that, naughty, very naughty. So you can see it here a lot more, so you can see it's literally just like poof poof, all popping up very easily. But I absolutely love these little detailing, so we're definitely not gonna hide it, because I was thinking to get it painted in black, but then we're not gonna see these details, and I think they are too pretty to hide. Handles, they are grape shape. I don't know why, but people like to put these little things inside the drawers, and I absolutely hate them. I don't know why, but oh my goodness, what a job. Luckily it works in my favor because it comes off very easily. So today we're gonna get everything removed, hoping it's just a light sand and it all pops off. If not, we're gonna use our little magic trick. But yeah, this is gonna be easily coming off. Okay, that's literally probably, this is just the whole day work, and that's about it. So we're gonna pick some nice colors. Unsure what yet, but so let's remove the handles and then start sanding. Honestly, look at all this. It's all the paint. Some of them, no matter how much I'm actually scratching or sanding, is like this. I'm gonna try to go through it a different sanding disc, because this one didn't want to take it off completely, so we will take some more off. I did the little drawers as well. Honestly, the amount of paint is chipping off, but luckily there is no damage whatsoever. Like, I thought there will be a few places where I need to fill in and everything, but no, there is none. So one more sanding round, and then after we can start cleaning off and start painting. Honestly, I still haven't got a clue what I'm gonna do, what kind of color combination. Thinking of between blue or green, not sure yet. I feel like they have to be blue, honestly. Just maybe like a dark blue, and then pop in white draws, and then white little detailing on the side, or brown detailing and blue. Right, we will think about that after. I think this is gonna be our main color, the all blue eyes. I've been dying to try this color from Frenchic, and I think these little detailing, just a perfect combination for this. So we're gonna leave the drawers, and we're gonna pop this on the actual unit itself. I think they're gonna have a lighter drawers, so you'll see that. So I'm gonna use those to rise it up from this very dusty little table. No matter how much I clean, still getting dusty, so we're gonna rise up before we're painting. So I'm just gonna pop underneath these as well, and obviously we're gonna use our sugar soap to clean it all off from any dust, any sort of things that we missed off. And it needs a little bit stirring, because it's, not gonna lie, I think it's a bit of an old paint. It's been there for a while. Oh, such a beautiful, gorgeous color. The blue is looking sexy. Look at that. So creamy. Right, first coat is on and it is drying, so we're gonna leave this overnight and we will be back tomorrow. For the second coat, waxing, detailing, but it's a very popping blue. It's gonna be a perfect base for our little project. I'm so excited. Not scratching away, nothing at all. So we're gonna apply the second coat, leave it overnight, and tomorrow we're gonna start working on it to make it into a little magic piece. I love it. I think I'm gonna give a very tiny sand with a 240 grit sandpaper, just to make sure it's very smooth before we apply. We used this all blue eyes on the actually unit itself. What we're gonna do is now we're gonna do the draws. I'm gonna be using a darker shade. Right, let's see what we actually have in stock. I think I was using this last time and it's an absolutely gorgeous color. And you know what? Actually funny that the blue eye one, it looks a lot darker than this, right? But it's actually, this turned out to be so bloody dark on the paint and it was gorgeous. But I don't think it's because of that. I think it's because of the wood was so dark, because you can see that shade and that shade. It's not what we're after. So what else we got here? Clear wax. Not for today. What matchy color can we match? If not, we will have to make something out. For the drawers itself, I'm using this paint called Duckling, again from Frenchic. So I just apply them. And the all drying, we're gonna leave it for a good 2 hours. Once they are dry, we will work around the edges where it's all just dripped down. We're gonna clean them all off. And these are the two shades, as you can see. Poof, dark, light, dark, light. And pop it in. It's gonna look like this for now. And then we're gonna start working our magic, which is dark wax, white wax, clear wax, combination of these three. So I'm using Bristle, and these handles, I got them from a previous project, and they gorgeous, and I think these are gonna be the perfect handles for these drawers. First layer finally dried. You can see I've not done that one, so I'm gonna finish this first and then I'm gonna carry on. Here are our gorgeous handles, and this is how they're gonna look. I think that's gonna be very sexy. Honestly, I also love how it turned out. Just so antique, so unique, so gorgeous. Right, let's finish this one up. I'm gonna pop those handles up first. One up already, and look at that. It makes it so luxurious, so unique. This is the perfect little handle. So we're just gonna pop them up. Using the drill bit as well, sorry, the screwdriver bit and the drill bit. What number am I using? I think this is gonna be a 6. No, it's a 5. Yeah, so it's a 5 that I'm using. I'm just using these little screws from Toolstation, and then we're gonna work our way through for the next one. Look how cute. So cute. Love it. So this is like the setup as number 3. Honestly, I've been staging this whole thing. This is the dirty look, the aging look that we were going after. So I layered the wax, dark wax, white wax, and created this. You can see on the edge, I give a little bit more drama, more old age with the dark wax. And in the middle, I whitened it out with the white wax, so I had to wait while they were drying. What's up? You want some attention, aren't you? Yes, you are. So what else we did? Yes, we changed the handles. So I had these handles from a previous project, and I absolutely love these. They are real brass. So I was like, this is gonna be the perfect look cabinet for these handles. You can see the detailing really show off with the layered wax and obviously the gorgeous blue underneath it. So I went all around the entire units. Then what else? Yeah, we distressed inside as well to make it even more antique. You have to say something all the time, yeah? What's up? What's up? Is your brother? Say bye. Say bye. Bye. No? You little shit. You are a little shit. And you are a good boy, aren't you? Yes. Right. We're gonna see them in the next video, guys. Say bye. Bye.